Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. Today, we're unpacking Gloriva's Radiance Manifesto. We're going to take a pretty incredible journey into the world of beauty engineering, which is this fascinating space where rigorous scientific precision absolutely collides with pure, luxurious botanical essences. For those of you who want to know how elite luxury brands are actually built behind the scenes, from a concept in a London lab to an exquisite final product, well, this is going to be right up your alley. Just think about how Gloriva's visual identity immediately pulls us in. You see this rich, deep green silk paired with these stunning gold accents, and it's not just a random color palette, right? It's a highly deliberate aesthetic choice engineered to establish their core philosophy, which is beauty you can feel. Before a customer even opens a jar or a bottle, that visual weight and elegance primes the senses. It conveys this calm, commanding presence that really just defines true luxury.
And that brings us to the absolutely crucial philosophy driving this brand. Precision engineering meets artistic opulence. You see, Gloriva isn't just mixing up basic skincare here, they are strategically deconstructing luxury. They deeply understand that to create an indelible mark on the consumer, you literally have to merge high performance, lab-tested science right alongside a sensory, emotional experience. It's an approach where the chemistry has to be just as flawless as the aesthetics.
Let's dive right into Section 1, Science Meets Botanical Luxury.
Now, this idea perfectly illustrates that exact balance we've been talking about. On one hand, you have rigorous left-brain engineering. We're talking advanced peptide technology, uncompromising laboratory-proven efficacy, and incredibly strict chemical stability. But as we all know, science alone can sometimes feel a bit sterile. So they pair it with this right-brain emotional appeal. Sensory sophistication brought to life through rare botanical essences, artistic perfumery, and just undeniably rich textures. It's honestly the perfect marriage of absolute chemical purity and beautiful botanical radiance. To actually achieve that level of sensory sophistication, you can't just source locally. You have to look globally. Gloriva has built an elite global sourcing network. They simply don't compromise on raw materials. For instance, they pair the enchanting fragrance oils from historic French perfume houses with world-renowned Bulgarian rose, alongside deeply rich Indian Ayurvedic botanicals. It's essentially a world map of elite raw materials, all brought together to ensure top-tier potency and performance. Okay, moving on to Section 2, the three-step Radiance Codex. Gloriva organizes this whole experience into a highly strategic blueprint, breaking it down into 3 precise phases, designed to deliver exceptional care from roots to ends. Step 1 is their Purifying Clay Mask, engineered for deep radiance and smoothness. Then Step 2 shifts the focus to the foundation of hair health with a scalp and root care serum to really drive vitality and density. And finally, Step 3 is the Velvet Skin Care Serum, formulated to lock in deep hydration and unparalleled softness. It's a comprehensive, meticulously engineered ritual, the whole shebang. Let's actually zoom in on that first step for a second. With the Radiance Clay Mask, we see Gloriva's proprietary Phyto-Luminous Complex at work. Guys, this isn't just mixing clay and water in a lab, it's a highly synergistic blend. It merges strict regulatory compliant stability with incredibly potent botanical actives. It's perfectly designed to purify the skin while supporting a really healthy, balanced complexion, proving once again that laboratory precision and natural ingredients can coexist beautifully. Let's transition to Section 3, from London lab to shelf. So how does this actually build out step by step? Well, starting right from their global headquarters in London, Gloriva breaks down product creation into a meticulous 6-step end-to-end journey. It starts with idea and concept, then moves directly into intense research and formulation, followed closely by packaging design. Then comes a pretty major hurdle, regulatory compliance, ensuring everything meets those rigorous FDA and EU standards. Next up is GMP-certified manufacturing and quality control, culminating finally in the market launch. They literally hold their brand partners' hands for this entire complex maze.
Now, if you are sitting there wondering about their level of expertise in actually executing that process, this number speaks volumes. Over 1,000. That is the sheer volume of high-performance, bespoke formulations they have successfully developed across their R&D projects. It's just undeniable proof of elite, uncompromising mastery, and really a relentless, continuous investment in research and development.
And here is a metric that should genuinely excite any of the focus learners out there interested in business strategy: 45%. This represents a 45% optimization in supply chain efficiency through pure value engineering. And why does this matter so much? Because this brilliant optimization redirects B2B budgets away from operational waste and puts it right back toward what truly matters to the consumer, those rare ingredients and high-end luxury packaging we talked about. It's smart, zero-waste business that fundamentally elevates the final product. Which brings us to Section 4, Sustainable Global Beauty Impact. Listen, sustainability isn't just a buzzword here. Gloriva's commitment is bold, and crucially, it's measurable. They are operating on 100% renewable energy across their facilities, aiming for zero waste to landfill, and leveraging smart technologies for a massive 50% reduction in water consumption. On top of all that, they are completely committed to a fully carbon-neutral supply chain by 2026, offering extensive plastic-free and fully recyclable packaging options. They are proving definitively that strict environmental responsibility can in fact harmonize perfectly with high-end luxury. And the crazy part? This sustainable, science-backed approach is highly scalable. Look at this impressive global footprint. Delivering excellence across more than 50 countries, Gloriva has illustrated exactly how scientifically backed luxury solutions can easily transcend geographic boundaries. Whether we're talking about the GCC, Europe, the USA, or Asia, they seamlessly navigate complex international regulations to reach discerning markets worldwide, all backed by ISO, GMP, and cruelty-free certifications.
So we arrive at the end of our explainer today with a pretty massive question. Is it time to engineer the future of beauty? We've seen how Gloriva blends true scientific precision with absolute botanical opulence, executing this vision seamlessly from a lab in London straight to shelves across 50 countries. The question now is really for the visionaries, the retailers, and the creators watching this right now. Are you ready to partner with a proven engineering powerhouse to transform your vision into a market-leading luxury reality? Think about it. Thanks so much for joining me today, and keep learning.